Welcome to Forex Pros. Forex Pros is an investment firm that works in forex trading and is recognized by International Financial Commission. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe because we post educational material and live analysis on daily basis, which has helped a lot of people in trading. Now let's go to our analysis. Let's do a complete breakdown analysis on GBP and ZD. Starting from the monthly, what we can see is that market made this huge impulse to the downside without any retracement. And all these red candles are indicating that the pressure of sell is still strong. So as long as we don't see a retracement, a reversal pattern on these candles, we cannot say that the market will be retracing anytime soon. Secondly, what we can see is that the market made this huge M formation. As we have discussed multiple times in our past analysis, that whenever we see a formation of pattern like this, we expect a retracement at least to the neckline of this M. Similarly, if we see a pattern like this, we expect a retracement to the bottom neckline of the W formation. So, secondly, what we can see is that the market still has not tested its previous support. So, if we want to see a retracement, we might see GBP and ZD moving to the monthly support before retracing to our monthly target of this neckline. Similarly, if we want to measure the retracement, what will be our strategy? We will plot the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, and what we can see is that our target lies in between the 0.5 and 0.382 levels. So we might see a retracement to this point, but important thing is that we will not take any step before the market gives us any type of confirmation. On the weekly chart, what we can see is that even on the weekly, market made this huge formation of the M pattern, but as we can see that this is not a clear M pattern because of the multiple supports and resistance in between it. So this is just an idea. We cannot predict on the base of this M formation. But one thing which we can see is that the previous structure, previous resistance level, which was previously the support, now turns resistance, is at this point. Because what we can see is that it was a resistance at support at this point, support at this point, and now turned into resistance. Similarly, what we can see is that market is on a weekly support level, after which we are seeing a rejection. So we can expect the market to move in the upward direction at least to our previous target on the weekly time frame. So on the daily chart, a simple pattern can be seen, which we have discussed multiple times. Whenever market makes a one shoulder, a head, and the second shoulder, we expect the market to move in the upward direction. Similar type of pattern can be seen at this was our left shoulder, then a head, and then the right shoulder, after which what do we expect? We expect the retracement at least to the main resistance on the weekly chart. But as we know, we are reactive in the market and not predictive. We will not be taking any type of step unless the market breaks over this structure resistance. So in case the market breaks in the upward direction, we will be waiting for the market to retest and give us a confirmation before taking any type of trade. So how will we approach this type of situation? We will monitor the price action of the market on the 4-hour chart, because monthly, weekly and daily charts are just to analyze the direction of the market, and to get a confirmed entry point, we will be monitoring the price action of the market on the 4-hour chart. So as soon as the market gives us a confirmation on the 4-hour chart that the support and resistance has been broken and retested, and we find the momentum of the market shifting to the upward direction, we can have a good longing opportunity on the daily time frame. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe and join our mentorship program and learn the best strategies which have been tested for more than 5 years and have a success rate of more than 90%.